Okay, so just a little disclaimer before this video starts, along with the title. The title is right in the beginning. I put a timestamp screen here so you can skip to wherever you want in the video for what you're here for. The slammin' stuff, the new drop has now been dropped. It is released right now. It's live on my website. If you want all the information about that, it's all in this video. The timestamps are there so you can skip to wherever you would like to in the video. You're here for the skating, you're here for the drop, you're here for the title. It's all right there, so you have an index. So since I'm here at my ex-girlfriend's house and I'm staying here for a week, I'm gonna fully milk this situation and probably title the video something along the lines of staying the night at my ex-girlfriend's house.
Hi.
Should we not exploit the fact that we've had sex here?
We've had sex here.
What if your parents see this?
What if they see any of the videos you've ever posted of me?
That's true. Because I called to see, I was like, yeah, can Claire come over? And what did he say? He was like, yeah.
Just don't fuck on the bed.
Yeah, like we didn't even say anything, even ask or say anything about it. He was like, yeah, just don't have sex in our bed.
Yeah. Should we fuck on my bed tonight?
No.
I know.
That's fucking weird.
I'm kidding. Why does Joanne like Trouble's ears so much? Dare you to try one?
I'm not gonna fucking try it. Why don't you try it?
You dare me?
Yeah, I dare you.
To lick her ear?
Lick inside her ear.
Inside?
That's
though.
what she's doing. She's licking inside her ear.
Oh,
like,
I won't lick the inside, I'll lick the outside.
She's cleaning out her ears.
Oh, that's kind of her.
Look at ass to mouth right now. That's how you stop a dog from attacking. You know that, right?
You touch the butthole?
You stick your finger in their ass. If like a dog is latched on to like another dog, a dog fight at a dog park or something, that's how they'll stop, is if you stick your finger in their ass.
So if we're ever having a fight?
No, that doesn't work like that. My mouth isn't gonna be latched onto your neck.
You don't know that.
Why I wasn't filming today, so here, what's up? What do you want to talk about?
Nothing? Talk about, I don't know. What should we talk about? Do I look sick? Backlit? Are you not gonna say anything?
Kickflip! Frontside flip!
Okay, today's the day that I get to pick up all the samples for the Think For Yourself capsule. And I'm very excited because we're using new hoodies and we're using new shirts. Oh shit, what the fuck? Hey.
I just called you.
How have you been, dude?
Chilling. I leave tomorrow.
Oh, for Thanksgiving? Each drop that I have come out with after the next has only gotten better, but not with just design, with quality of apparel also. So we're printing on new shirts and new hoodies. The quality of this like speaks for itself. So you can say whatever the hell you want about the quality, you won't know unless you see it in person for yourself. Quality is just getting way better. Each time it just feels that much more legit. We're actually back. Let's go. These are all the samples. One of them is not correct, but I'll tell you what is gonna be, what I'm gonna do instead of it. All of the material in like the blanks and the shirts that we're using have improved like substantially with this drop versus last drop. And I mean, last drop was our best drop yet, but even this drop, the stuff is just like substantially improved because the stuff that we're printing on is just that much better. And I like the designs a lot this time because they're a lot cleaner. So, I mean, you're gonna have to see this in person. Like the quality literally speaks for itself. I can't really do it justice here, but I mean, you can just notice a few detail differences, like these metal eyelets here on the hoodie. Like, to me, that just adds like value. I love this. I don't know, I mean, I do know why. It's just like those little details. What's the term? The devil's in the details, is that what it is? This is the navy hoodie with just the Think For Yourself bullet hole font on the front. There's nothing on the back, it's just a front hit. I haven't done like just standard regular printed hoodies before with like just a Slammin' logo. Only done the Slammin' Things hoodies, the embroidered hoodie, and then the Slammin' orange hoodie. I haven't done just like a regular standard basic logo Slammin' font hoodie yet. So that's why I'm excited on these, because I think these are more versatile for like everyday, every person type wearing. Like more people can just wear this rather than it just being a specific demographic of person. It's really hard for me to get my words out right now. Anyway, this is the long sleeve. The yellow one is actually not correct. This font is going to be black with the red. And same on the back. It's going to be black. But I'm gonna show you the black and the white ones. Yeah, so that's the front, and that's the back. This is just a random concept I thought of. I was listening to a lot of Have Heart one of the weeks, so I came up with this as the theme for the capsule. This has a little bit of a message behind it. I'm trying not to be too conceptual about it. I don't know. There's a message. It's cool. It's not too much. Trying to keep it as not corny as possible. I don't know. I'm stoked on it. I know I say this every single time, every single drop. Like, this is my favorite drop yet. But again, this is my favorite drop yet. But not just because of the designs, because of the materials that we're now using. Jarrell, thank you for being patient. No problem. Appreciate it. So the new Think For Yourself Slammin' line, the new Think For Yourself capsule, not line, it's a capsule. That's now out. Claire and I just got done shooting a bunch of photos for like Instagram, I don't know, a lookbook or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I might make a little like zine out of them and see what's up. I don't know, but yeah, we just got done shooting. Claire's amazing, precious model, you're amazing. Love you. Yeah, so it's out. I'm just letting you guys know what's up. I wish I would have filmed more like of the act of doing so, but I didn't. Look at how good the pants look though, even on Claire.
What?
I'm just saying like as a woman, as like girls, they're unisex. That's what I mean.
Jeez.
Yeah, no, I didn't mean like.
Claire looks good enough.
That's not what I meant. I'm sorry. I know it sounded bad. I'm just like rushing the words out of my mouth because I have so much to do today. I love pants like that on girls.
Love pants.
Love pants, yeah. I shot all of the photos and the images on film, obviously. I think that's pretty cool. I mean, they were all shot on film by Sarah last time, but Sarah wasn't available to shoot this time. I just wanted her to do it because I like her photography a lot. She just knows how to shoot people really, really well. She shoots models all day long, and I'm insecure about the way that I shoot people. Anyway, everyone on the last video was leaving comments saying that what's wrong with the Slammin' site? Why is the Slammin' site closed? And literally in the last video, I stated that the website was closing and it would be reopening November 24th for the new drop. So that is what happened for those that were curious. But the website is now live. It is now open with all new stuff from the Think For Yourself capsule. That is what I'm calling the new little drop. It's just a smaller drop, so it's like a capsule. It's not really an entire drop. Excuse me. I'm starting to really find like the brands and the manufacturers
that I like to use and that go with the brand the best. So I'm just super hyped on it. I can't really stress it enough. I don't want to beat a dead horse here by continuing to reiterate that a million times, but it's true. I finally made beanies. You guys have been asking for like 6 months for me to make beanies, and I was kind of against it at first, just because I don't really wear beanies like that, and you can't really see the logo like the way I wear beanies. But I went ahead and made beanies with a logo on it if you don't like to rock the tiny hat look. But if you do, you can just fold the beanie up. Let me tell you guys about the pants and the BLUETILE collaboration shirt. Those are on the Slammin' website. What's gonna happen is there's like a banner with the pants and with the BLUETILE shirt on it. You're gonna click on that banner and it's gonna take you to the BLUETILE website. So you don't need to go to the BLUETILE website. You can just go to the Slammin' website, and when you click on the pants or the t-shirt, it's gonna all take you to the same place, and you're gonna be able to purchase both of those items. All the photos that you've been seeing all day, and all the photos that you're gonna be seeing for the next week, I just dropped those off. They're getting developed in an hour, so I'm gonna pick those up, and I'm really excited because I shot them this time.